Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is happy. God bless you and your family. My name is Kalayarasi. I am your science teacher. Today we will going to discuss about science unit 1 measurement. What is science? Science is the huge field of study. It deals with the search for knowledge about the universe and all that in it. People who work in science are called scientists. Science include a wide range of subject. The subject can be grouped into three branches: the physical science, the life science, and the social science. Now move on. Physical science. Physical science is divided in four types: physics, chemistry, astronomy, and mathematics. Physics. The physical science deal with the non-living things, from the tiny particles that make up an atom to the universe itself. Physics. Physics is the study of the matter and the force that act on it. In second one, chemistry. Chemistry is the study of the substances. Astronomy is the study of the stars, planets, and other objects in outer space. The earth science or study of the earth features. Mathematics, the study of the numbers in a physical science too. It is also a tool used in almost every other area of the science. And second one, life science. Life science divided in four types: biology, botany, zoology, and medicines. The life science deal with the living things and other surroundings. Living things are, for example, plants, animals, and human being. Biology. Biology is the study of the natural world and everything that lives in it. Botany, the study of the plants, and zoology, the study of the animals or field within biology. Medicine is the science of health. Third one, social science. Social science, it's divided in five types: sociology, physiology, geography, anthropology, economics. Sociology. Sociology is the study of the society or the group that the people form. Psychology is the study of the human mind and emotion. Geography is the study of the earth surface. Anthropology is the study of the human through history. Economics, the study of the wealth. Scientists believe there is the natural explanation for most things. For any problem they try to understand the causes so they can come up with a solution. The process that a scientist use to solve a problem is called the scientific method. Now move on. Physics. What is physics? Did you know? Astrophysics is the physics of objects in the sky such as star and galaxy. Physics is the one of the major branch of science. People who work in physics are called physicists. Physicists study matter and force, push or pull, that act on it. Physicists also study many different forms of energy. The object that physicists study range in size from the tiny building block of matter to huge group of stars. History. Physics first developed as a people began to wonder about the physical world around them. The ancient Greeks studied the motions, means moving of object in the sky, and the physical property of things on the earth. Early in the 1600, the Italian scientist Galileo studied how all things fall to earth at the same speed. At the end of the 1600, the English scientist Isaac Newton explained the law of gravity and motion. In the late 1800, scientists discovered that tiny particles make up atoms. In the early 1900, the German American physicist Albert Einstein helped to explain the behavior of these particles. Einstein also proposed an entirely new way of thinking about space, time, and gravity. Now move on. Unit 1, Measurement. In day-to-day life, we measure many things such as weight of fruits, vegetables, food, grains, volume of liquid, temperature of the body, speed of the vehicles, etc. Quantities such as mass, weight, distance, temperature, volume are called physical quantity. A value and unit are used to express the magnitude of a physical quantity. For example, Suresh walked 2 kilometers every day. In this example, 2 is the value and the kilometer is unit used to express the magnitude of distance, which is physical quantity. Daily, we come across situation when we measure length, mass, time and temperature. For example, when you try to find out a distance between your house and your friend house, you measure length. If you want to know the quantity of vegetables of grocery items, you need to buy, you measure mass or weight. When you try to find out how long will take you to complete your homework, you measure time. When you want to know how cold or hot your milk is, you measure its temperature. Now move on. Importance of measurement. Measurement is an essential need to keep accuracy in our various day-to-day activities. Without actual measurement, we cannot make a correct judgment about the length, mass, time, temperature, etc. of given object. For example, when you feel sick, your mother measure your body temperature with the help of a thermometer. The thermometer shows 100 degree Fahrenheit temperature. So, do you have a fever? Yes. Since our normal body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Thus, any value about it confirm that you are suffering from fever. It means that on measuring your body temperature, she would know exactly you have a fever or not. So, in this case, the accurate measurement of temperature is a very important. Definition of measurement. Measurement is a comparison of unknown quantity with some known quantity known as. Once again, measurement is a comparison of unknown quantity with a known fixed quantity. It's known as measurement. Now move on. Important terms related to measurement. Before we can proceed further with the measurement of length, mass, time and temperature, you need to understand the following terms. Physical quantity. A quantity that can be measured in a physical quantity, length, time, mass and volume are some example of physical quantity. For example, you cannot measure the level of anger, sincerity, honest, etc. of your friend. However, you can measure is height, weight, and body temperature. Thus, in the present example, the former are not physical quantity, whereas later one is physical quantity are two types. First one, fundamental physical quantity, and second one, derived physical quantity. Now we will going to discuss about fundamental physical quantity. These are quantity that are completely independent of each other and do not dependent upon any other quantity. For example, mass, length, time and temperature. Now move on. Unit of measurement. During measurement, we compare the unknown quantity of things or substance with a known fixed quantity. This fixed quantity with which we compare unknown quantity is called unit of measurement. For example, when someone requests for 5 glass of water, then here a glass of water it's a unit and person it's requesting for 5 unit of the same. Hence, to express the result of the measurement of a physical quantity, we must know the unit which the quantity is to be measured and the numerical value which express how many times the above mentioned unit in there in the given quantity. Let us take one more example. If the length of a piece of cloth is at 10 meters, it means that we measure the length in the unit meter and this unit is present 10 times in the length of that piece of cloth. Thus, a measurement consists of two parts, magnitude and units. Now move on, fundamental quantity and fundamental units. Fundamental quantities, length, fundamental unit meter, m. Fundamental quantity mass, unit kilogram. Fundamental quantity time, unit second, s. Fundamental quantity temperature, unit Kelvin, K. Fundamental quantity electric current, unit ampere, A. Fundamental quantity amount of substance, fundamental unit mole. Fundamental quantity light intensity, unit candela. Second one, derived physical quantity. These quantity are obtained by combining two or more fundamental quantities. For example, area, speed, etc. Now move on, derived quantity and derived unit. Area, derived quantity, area equal to length and breadth. Derived unit, meter into meter equal to square meter or meter square. Derived quantity, volume equal to length and breadth and height. Derived unit, meter into meter equal to cubic meter or meter cube. Derived quantity, speed equal to distance by time, unit meter by second or meter second 1. Derived quantity, electrical charge equal to electrical current in time. Derived unit, ampere in second equal to as or coulomb C. Derived quantity, density equal to mass by volume. Derived unit, kilogram by meter cube or kilogram meter minus 3. Today science assignment, answer the following, learn question answers. Thank you.